Hi guys, welcome to DIY Ideas. Today I will show you how you can do a basket out of wool in gray and yellow today. And here inside are the pretty spools. I already did a bag out of it last summer, you might remember. So the material is pretty sturdy and I'll also be using my 6mm needle. So today we are in gray and yellow. So let's go. So here is my Rico design, Creative Nature, 50 grams per 100 meters. And I have here the colors gray and yellow. Both are 100% out of true hemp and very cool summer material. And yeah, other than that, we need a 3.5mm needle, and I will be using my 6mm one because I am doing both spools at the same time. So additionally, I have a little marker since we are working in rows with our two colors today. And yeah, let's take both threads at once and we can get started. So take your threads, align, and we are ready to start. So we want a little loop like this at first. So take the thread like this and pull the thread through. This is our magic ring. And do a chain. Start with singles into the ring. Four, 6, 8, 10. Now I can pull this tight. Go here into the first stitch. And do a single in there. And then we will mark the last stitch so that we know where our round stops or begins. So first and last stitch. So into the stitch from the last row, I do 2 new singles, and each single gets double singles. So 2 per each one of the last row. Last stitch also gets 2 stitches. I'll take the marker out. And marker goes back in. Third row starts. So in the third row, we are doing additions again. But this time every second stitch is getting a new stitch. So one stitch you do with just 1 single, and the next stitch you do with 2 singles. Here I am now, finish the last stitch with 2 singles. I'll mark it really quick. And now, as you might expect, every third stitch gets an addition. So first 2 singles just get 1 new single, and the third, or each third single, gets the doubled ones. And that's the system, or the formula. In each row you do additions by skipping 1 more stitch. So third row has an addition in every third stitch, fourth row in every fourth, and so on. I'll keep doing that until I get the size of the circle that I want my basket bottom to have. So this is going to be my basis, so in case you may notice that it's getting a little wavy, but if you press it, it disappears, so it won't be visible later. If it's too wavy in your case, it means you did too many stitches. So you could lessen the number of stitches and feel free to test it out a bit. It might be that your material is a bit different or that you are working very tightly. So make sure that you follow the instructions to the letter, or that you pay attention if you're doing something different, what you are doing. Here we are, so I want a diameter of 15 centimeters, and now I'll stop with the additions. I'll just do 1 single into each single from the last row. So we are building the sides of our basket this way. The marker is still here too. And here we are now. You see what this looks like after a couple of more rows, and it's going to keep growing. So this is the shape. We are just increasing the size, and you see our bases very nicely now. So it's really cool that you get results really quickly. So you see, a couple of more rows make a big difference. I think I will stop here. So let's cut the thread short and pull it out, and then I'll show you how to hide the ending. So just go through this way and then back, so that it looks like it's just 1 more stitch. There, and now we can just weave in the beginning and end thread, 1 in the middle and 1 on the outer edge. I also have my needle for that, but all in all we are done. An idea is to put some spools in and maybe the needle too, and then we have a really nice looking result. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Feel free to shoot a thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your friends if you did. You can also post comments in the comment section, and I'll see you in our next project. Until then, have a great day. Bye!